Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to remove the flag on your profile in chess.com. Now, of course, you need to be signed into your account. And the thing is, you really can't remove it entirely. So as you can see here, we have the Gibraltar flag here on our profile. So how do we remove this? So it's actually quite easy. You click on the cogwheel or the settings icon on the lower left hand side of the screen like so. This pop-up will appear. Click on all settings to bring you to the settings page. So once you are in the settings page, you want to click on the profile tab here. And once you are in the profile tab, as you can see, the flag is bigger. And if you want to scroll down until you see details, you want to click on country, right? So in country, you actually want to see the letter I for international. So as you can see, there's an option for international, which is no country. Once you choose international, go scroll down and then click on save again. There's going to be a check mark that signifies that you have saved the changes you've made. And if you scroll up, as you can see here, it says international. It is now a world map instead of a flag. This is the best we can do. You really can't remove anything there, and then you'll be good to go. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.